I'm one of the sales reps for Cordelier Automotive Technologies. And I've been in the industry now for just on 22 years, going 23. Cars have always been a passion of mine, and I'm a panel beater by trade, and the detailing side of things is just an add-on and something that I enjoy doing. It's a passion as well, and I've been doing that now for quite a few years, and yeah, just enjoy the industry and also willing to learn and wanting to learn more, as you never stop learning in the motor industry. So thank you very much.
Hello. Working under Mark Claudia. I love cleaning cars too much. Thank you so much.
Mark Blautier, owner of Blautier Auto Detailing. I've come out of a background of doing training in that for the panel beating industry. Had a part-time business doing detailing, was being retrenched. Took it over full-time. I've been doing that since. I do detailing, I sell detailing products, and do training.
Well, a good friend of mine and actually a detailer got me very interested. A guy named Prash from Precision Glazz. So yeah, he cleaned my car a lot, and I saw there was a lot more effort in it than what a normal car wash gave, and yeah, that's pretty much how it is. And I'm just a lover of cars in general, so cleaning them, keeping them clean is number one. I learned a ton today. It was really informing. I think the whole day passed very quickly because I was so enthralled with all the information from Mark and Dylan. It was awesome. I loved it. I was not bored for a second.
Okay, ek is Daniel Mohiti van Oye first. Ek is hier om te compleer die training van polish. Ek baie like my werk, ek baie lief vir my werk. Ek is Daniel. Ek sê baie dankie wat die training gekry vandag. Ek baie like my werk. Ek sê vir Gys, ek sê baie dankie wat jy gestuur het hier vir die training. Ek is daar, dankie.
Hi, I'm Kirtland. I am new into the detailing, an amateur. I've been doing it for a year, but only off YouTube videos, and this course is here to help me learn more. I've been into the cars and love restoring and refurbishing the cars, so yeah, that's what I do. And the course is really something that I do enjoy. I learned, this one day I learned a lot. It's a lot of small things that I thought I knew, and I'm clearly not, I need to learn still. Yeah, thank you.
I've been doing this for about 8 years, but I wanted to up my skill, and that's why I joined the course. This was a really eye-opener. Being in the industry for some time, I still learned a lot today, so this is really a good course to better yourself.
My name's Matt Potgieter. Got into detailing by watching the Ammo New York City guy on YouTube. Thought it would be cool to learn it and maybe add it to my dad's car business.
Very cool.
Yeah, I learned a lot today. It's very informing than YouTube videos. It's better to learn it in person and get a professional to teach you in person and give you their hands-on experience.